Hello everyone. So in our today class we are going to discuss about the bulk storage type. What is the bulk storage type? Here I will demonstrate the same on the board. So we have the bulk storage type when we have some kind of requirement in the warehouse. For an example, if we have the bags like if you go and sometimes you see we have the some kind of bags which in the form of, like for an example, we can consider like cement bag or rice bags, okay, or wheat bag, some kind of the bags. When we put the material in the form of bag in the warehouse in the bulk area, like very big space, we call in the another form like go down. So we take this storage type as a bulk storage type. Here I will demonstrate. Suppose. So our today topic is demo topic is bulk storage type with bulk storage indicator or bulk storage structure. Okay, in the short form I put struct. Okay, so suppose you have the cement bag. Okay, cement bag. You have the some kind of rice bags for an example. Our requirement, we want to put these bags in the warehouse. How we put this bag? And suppose we have this kind of bag in the bulk quantity, not a small quantity, in the bulk, a lots of we have the bags. How we will manage this? So in that situation we will implement in the warehouse bulk storage type. Okay, so when we require to put bulk for an example bags, kind of bags in the warehouse bulk quantity, then we use bulk storage type. So bags could be like for an example in the form of like this, some of the bags, okay, in the form of this height. Okay, some bags, cement bags, it looks like this, some rice bags it looks like this. Okay, but those all are the bags and we have in the warehouse bulk quantity. So we are going to manage this and I will show you how to manage this in the advanced extended warehouse management with the complex warehouse scenarios, how we do this. Okay, so suppose I will demonstrate you. Suppose this is your warehouse. Here you have one area which is the bulk area. Okay, suppose this is the top shed of your warehouse. Okay, this is the big warehouse area and this is the for ventilation, these areas, and here we want to put bulk like around 5,000 quantity. Okay, 10,000 quantity bags, cement bags. So then bulk storage process comes into the picture. So how we manage this bags here? For an example, 1 bag, 2 bag, 3 bag, 4 bag, 5 bag, another bag, another bag, another bag, another bag. We put another bag. Like in the same way, same form, we put multiple bags on top of. Okay. Okay. We have one permanent storage type in our warehouse, which is the bulk storage type. Right. We are going to put here a lots of rice bags, 10,000, 20,000 quantity, or cement bags for an example. Okay. How system will come to know this specific storage type is bulk storage type? So in the configuration we use the one technique, one concept, which is the bulk storage structure or storage type, with we use the bulk storage indicator. Bulk storage indicator how system will come to know this is the bulk storage type. In the configuration, when we're going to define a storage type, we have the different kind of options there. Like bulk storage, we select the hierarchy storage, we select the pallet storage, we select the open storage type, we select for the fast moving, slow moving, depends upon the business. So in that situation, in this our example, so you will find this kind of example with screenshots, with descriptions, how we in the complex warehouse some of the processes in my books. So I have my book in front of me. So but this is the demo from my book and my like configuration videos which I have like into in how we do like this. So bulk storage indicator denotes that this storage type is nothing but a bulk storage type. So when we put the bags like this in the same form, so that means, see carefully, this is the space the bag occupies. This is nothing but a bin. These are the bin, storage bin. These are the storage bins. So here we need to in the configuration define the same. Like for an example, we have the some kind of storage bin, and here we can see these are the rows. These are the row. So generally how we consider bin 1, bin 2, bin 3, bin 4 like level, or we consider level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, level 6. Okay, here we design like this is the bin, storage bin. Okay, and this is the stack rows. Okay, stack 1, stack 2, stack 3. Generally in the warehouse we have the storage type. For an example, we have the storage type. Suppose this is a storage type, two storage type in front of each other, for an example. Okay, so generally how we define the bins? Stacks: stack 1, stack 2, stack 3, stack 4, stack 5, stack zigzag. But here this is the different way to define, but this area we use consider as an storage bins. So in that situation we use the bulk storage type. This is demo about the bulk storage type. We have the configurations, we have the complex configurations. So and solutions. So now I'm going to discuss about the pallet storage type. What is the pallet storage type? So suppose in our warehouse we have the different kind of storage type, like long, very tall, very long, tall. We call this as the high racks. We have some kind of fixed bin storage type. We have some kind of bulk storage type. So pallet storage type, we use the situation in which suppose I have different types of handling unit types. Okay, suppose I have different kind of handling units, the different size, different type of, with the like width, we have the different 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, 4 meter. For an example, we have the handling units. In that situation, we use the pallet storage type to manage the complex handling units with the different sizes. In the optimal way, we use the pallet storage type. So pallet storage type, we use the situation in which suppose we have different type. I am reading from my book which I wrote. So then you will come to know how is my book, like how is like the way. So pallet storage type, we use a situation in which suppose I have different types of handling units such as 2 meter, 1 meter, 3 meter. Handling unit means pallet, full HU. 3 meter pallet, 4 meter pallet, or for an example 3 meter, 2 meter, 1 meter. Okay. And we have the bin size. We have in the storage type different. Sometimes we have 1 meter bin, and somewhere I have the 2 meter bin, and I have the flexible in the warehouse to put the 2 meter pallet as well as situation in the pallet. Okay. So suppose we have different kind of storage bins. Suppose in your warehouse you have 3 meters bins. You have the pallet sizes 1 meter and 2 meter and 3 meters. How can you put? You can put in the 3 meter. You can put 3 meter. In the 3 meter bin you can put 3 meter. So now our topic is pallet storage type. So when we use pallet storage type, pallet storage type we use when we have different sizes of complete full HU in our warehouse. Suppose this I have 70 quantity. This kind of handling unit I have 200 quantities for an example. This kind of handling unit we have 30 quantities. So suppose this is 1 meter, this is 2 meter, this is 3 meter of width. How we will manage this in our warehouse? So we in our warehouse we create the storage type with like we divide the bins into the different sections. Where we put like this kind of handling units. So how to manage this exactly? How we can create? Through the configuration we do the same. So I will define some of the, for an example I will give you here. So I have suppose pallet bin which is the 1 meter. Pallet bin means this bin contains 1 meter of handling unit. Okay, I take 9 for MANS, like for 001. Okay, or like meter, you can take meter of bin 001. This is my, or I will take here BI01. Okay, then you will understand more. Bin 01, and I have pallet, another pallet bin. In our warehouse we have the storage type where we have different kind of bins. So 3 meter bin 303. Okay, this is my bin name. Suppose where we put the exact pallet, this is the bin name. Okay, this is the bin name. Now the third is actually pallet bin. We have 2 meter. Okay, suppose this is the B202 for an example. So suppose this is the 2 meter of the bin. See carefully here. Now see the logic. 2 meter of the bin can hold 1 meter plus 1 meter, 2 pallets in it, or 2 meter 1 pallet, isn't it? So this bin will hold, pallet bin, 2 meter bin, B0202, 1 meter plus 1 meter 2 pallet it can hold, or 2 meter 1 pallet it can hold. Now come to the 3 meter. So suppose you have the 3 meter bin, it can hold 1 meter plus 1 meter plus 1 meter, 2 meter plus 1 meter, or 3 meter. Like this 3 meter of the bin B303 can hold 1 meter 3 pallet, 2 meter 1 pallet, and 1 meter 1 pallet, or 3 meter single 1 pallet. Like in the same 3101 can hold only 1 meter. Meter means width. This size I am considering here. This width. Okay, bin width. So it can hold. So till yet we have seen in the very complex big warehouse, if we have the multiple size of handling units. So no need to worry, we can manage all the handling units in the warehouse through the technique we call concept pallet storage type. So this is the concept, and for an example, now suppose I have in my warehouse storage type, there I have one bin, another bin, and another bin. Okay, this is the bin. Okay, this is bin you can consider. So bin, or you can take bin 202, B303, you can consider 3 meter, 2 meter, B101. This is the bin. So in the system we define the bin. For an example, 01 01 01 / here I will put 3. So like this is the template we use to defining the bin in the configuration, like else stack level and bin name. Okay, here I put the 3 for bin name, like, or we can take M1, and so this will hold 3 meter of the pallet. This bin name I will give in the configuration. For an example, I already given in my book 01 / 1 meter. So 01 01 01 / 3 meter. Sorry. Here should be 2. Okay. So this bin will be able to hold at runtime only 1 meter width of pallet. This 3 meter bin can be able to hold 1 2 meter pallet, 1 meter pallet. Or this bin can hold 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, 3 pallets, 1 meter, 1 meter. This is logically you can see. Or this bin can hold 1 meter. This bin can hold one single 3 meter of the pallet, full HU inside it. Now my question is it possible, can I put in this bin 3 meter 2 meter, 3 meter or 1 meter, or 2 meter 2 meter 2? Suppose if I want to put here 2 meter 2 pallets, it's not possible because the maximum size of the bin is 3 meter. So this is the implementation demo, guys, how we manage the complex HUs. In this bin can I put like 2 meter pallet, 3 meter? Not possible. Only it will hold at 1 meter pallet. In the 2 meter I can put 1 meter 2 pallets, or 1 2 meter. Can I put here 3 meter pallet? Not possible. Okay. So this is the way to manage the handling units. So I will take for an example, in this bin I am going to put, for an example, boxes, which is the, like, for an example, pallet. Okay, 10 boxes. One pallet contains 10 boxes. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, so this we design in the system. Okay, and in the pallet, like for an example here, 2 meter I will take, it will hold like 3 meters of pallet, 2 meter pallet, like 20 cases. Here I will put the cases, here I will put the boxes. Okay, so cases, for an example, I have that because bin size is depends, 20 cases. Okay, here I will put the 10 boxes 10. Here I will put the 20 cases. How? Into 20. So you can consider this is nothing but a HU. Okay, full HU. This is in 1.